The RSS now has spoken out over the Aurangzeb controversy and sent across a very clear message that they don't approve of this war debate over Aurangzeb now. The RSS in their message has said very clearly that Aurangzeb is not relevant today and this kind of violence is unhealthy for society. A very important message that's come in from the Sangh and perhaps a message to their own as well, as BJP netas have also been resorting to making provocative statements against Aurangzeb. The RSS says, look, Aurangzeb is not relevant today. It doesn't matter what he stood for, what he did, the atrocities that he committed. He's simply not relevant today because this happened centuries ago. The Sangh saying any form of violence is unhealthy for society. Will this now lead to all of the tempers being cooled, particularly from those affiliated with the RSS who also made provocative comments on Aurangzeb, who've demanded that the Aurangzeb tomb be removed? The RSS says, look, let's not focus on Aurangzeb. It's not something that's even relevant today. This is the statement that's come in from the Sangh, even as in the last many weeks, we've been seeing all sorts of comments over Aurangzeb. That's also, in fact, added to this fire in Nagpur. Because even today, you've had comments from the likes of Nitesh Rane, who've said, bring down the Aurangzeb tomb in the manner that Babri Masjid was brought down. These are provocative comments that shouldn't be made at such a sensitive time. And that's why, with the RSS sending across a message, it's important to put the spotlight on this. The Sangh has said, Aurangzeb is not relevant today. We shouldn't be focusing on Aurangzeb, on the Mughal emperor, centuries after the atrocities that he committed. And it most definitely shouldn't be the spark for any sort of violence. The Sangh saying very clearly that any form of violence is unhealthy for the society. Now, this particular comment coming in from the RSS, even as we've seen plenty of such comments by netas linked to the RSS demanding the demolition of Aurangzeb tomb and whatnot. Himanshu Mishra is joining us with more details. So on this, Himanshu, हमको ये बताइए कि संघ के मैसेज क्या था औरंगजेब पे?
देखिए, आज आरएसएस की जो प्रतिनिधि सभा की बैठक होनी है बेंगलोर में परसों से, उसको लेकर ब्रीफ किया सुनील आंबेडकर, जो वहाँ के प्रचार प्रमुख है आरएसएस के, उन्होंने। और उनसे जब ये पूछा गया कि जो कुछ नागपुर में हुआ उसको लेकर संघ की क्या प्रतिक्रिया है, तो उन्होंने कहा एनी टाइप ऑफ वॉल्यूशन इज नॉट गुड फॉर द हेल्थ ऑफ फॉर द सोसाइटी। जब उनसे पूछा गया क्या औरंगजेब अभी भी रेलिवेंट है, तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं, औरंगजेब आज के दौर में कोई रेलिवेंट नहीं है। तो एक तरीके से संघ ने जो कुछ हुआ उस पर अपनी आपत्ति भी जताई कि वायलेंस जो हुआ है वो ठीक नहीं हुआ और औरंगजेब जो है वो रेलिवेंट नहीं है। इससे पहले भी अगर आप देखेंगे तो संघ प्रमुख मोहन भागवत कई बार ये कह चुके हैं कि कुछ लोग हिंदुत्व के नाम पर जो है अपनी राजनीति चमकाने का काम कर रहे हैं। तो एक तरीके का संघ का ये भी मैसेज है कि हिंदुत्व जो है वो पॉलिटिकली एजेंडे के तौर पर जो है वो नहीं होना चाहिए। और वही बात शायद आज सुनील आंबेडकर भी कहना चाहते थे कि औरंगजेब रेलेवेंट नहीं है। आपको अगर अपने धर्म की या अपनी जिस भगवान में आस्था है उसकी तरफ आप ध्यान दीजिए। ये जो वायलेंस हुआ है ये भी ठीक नहीं है सोसाइटी के लिए। एक तरीके से संघ बहुत क्लियर है कई इश्यूज को लेकर, और खासकर हिंदुत्व और जो जिस तरीके से मस्जिदों में मंदिर ढूंढने की प्रक्रिया है, इसको लेकर मोहन भागवत जो संघ प्रमुख है वो पहले भी इसको लेकर बयान दे चुके हैं।
Okay, Himanshu, thank you very much for joining us with those details. The RSS saying that, look, this entire Aurangzeb debate is not relevant today and therefore perhaps sending across a message to BJP netas too, who've been indulging in this whole demolish the tomb and such messages, saying it's not important. Violence is something that cannot be tolerated in society right now.